Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your iPhone model and iOS version because compatibility shapes your options. Once done, decide whether you want a third-party app, an external recorder, or a voicemail-based workaround. Each has trade-offs in convenience and audio quality. Make sure to think about legal consent. In many places, you must tell the other party. Now have your Apple ID, payment method, and App Store access ready so you can install or buy the chosen tool without delay. You next install the chosen app or connect your external recorder and Lightning adapter. When prompted, grant microphone and call permissions so the app can capture audio. If available, enable background audio to record on lock. For apps that use three-way conferencing or voicemail, follow their in-app dialing steps precisely to merge calls. Test with a brief call to confirm recording, then listen for clarity and adjust microphone position or input levels to improve results before important conversations. You finish by saving and securing your recordings. Export critical files to cloud storage or your computer and label them with date and contact for easy retrieval. Make sure to protect sensitive recordings with app-level encryption or a secure password and back up regularly to avoid loss. If something goes wrong, restart your iPhone, recheck microphone and call permissions, and test another app or the external recorder. If persistent, update iOS or contact the app developer for diagnostics and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.